Hello everyone, John here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Project 2 slides where we introduce arrays and the setPositionTarget function. These two are going to be very useful for your programs, so make sure you pay very close attention. Just like the last ones, we're not going to be really explaining too much. Rather, we're just going to be running through the basic parts of the slides and how to do them. So that way you can kind of get that visual stimuli, if you will. But anyways, we're going to start by creating a new project. If you remember from our last video, you have to give it a project name. Go over to the graphical editor, make sure you select that, and make sure you select free mode. From there, it'll take us back into the familiar IDE. We're going to start by declaring a new variable, or array, rather. So, to declare an array, go to variables, select this purple block here. Make sure your type is set to float, your name is set to position, and the length of the array is 3. From there, we're going to see about assigning values to your array. So, head back over onto the main page, select variables, select this last block all the way down here, drop it on in, and make sure this drop-down menu is selected to position. From there, you're going to need to do this 2 more times, which you can see here. There we go. You're going to need to do this 2 more times, like so. Make sure all of these drop-down menus are set to position. And now we're going to be giving these numbers right here values. So that way we can correspond them to the sphere and how it moves. So, from here, you're going to make sure that these numbers right here are set to 0, 1, and 2 to represent the x, y, and z coordinate. And then from here, the only thing that you have to change is the number 2. Now, the next slide talks a bit about the setPositionTarget and how it works, but what we're mainly concerned about with this video is actually implementing it itself. So, we're going to head over to the spheres controls, click setPositionTarget, drag it right on in here, and now, using your newly created array, select it in the drop-down menu. And with that, all you have to do from there is compile, simulate, and see what ends up happening. So, this is Project 2 in a little bite-sized format. Hope this helps out, and I hope you apply it well to your projects. Good luck out there. Ciao.